You ain't got to look like a bum all day, every day. Girl, you could do your hair. You. Not them. You. Do your hair, girl. Do your hair. Get yourself together. Hey y'all, it's Sequoia. Welcome to my channel. Today, I braided my hair and I don't look like a bum anymore. It is what it is. So, I do want to point out that I have these really cute clips. They're like pins, like bobby pins, but really decorative bobby pins, okay? I have these clips here. They say Proud Natural, okay? Y'all heard that? Proud Natural. Y'all read that? Yeah. These clips are from Swirly Curly. So if you like these clips and you've been looking, like you've been seeing them around, it's like, I want to get some of those. They're really cute, but I don't know where to get them from. Definitely click the link in my description box and you may be able to get a percentage off if you get some like these. These aren't the only ones that they have with only these words. They have other varieties. They have other hair accessories, especially for natural hair, naturally curly hair, hence the name Swirly Curly. You feel me? So definitely click the link in my description box to purchase these clips or just some hair accessories if you just, you know, feeling a little bored. You want something new. You want something that's going to protect your hair. Go check them out. But other than that, you can watch the video. Like I braided these braids. I didn't have to tie my hair up afterwards. I didn't have to do my edges because as I braided, it just all came into place. So I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let y'all see how I got this look after looking crazy. All right. I'm going to braid my hair today. And I have pre-stretched hair. It's 3 bundles of it in the color 1B by Freetress. I use this hair all the time, so yeah, I get it from the beauty supply store and I believe it's $4.99 per pack because 3 bundles come in it. Alright, so I have 1 bundle here. I'm going to separate this bundle because I'm going to be doing the feed in method. But first, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. I'm going to do 2 braids like I said. I'm going to part down the middle, okay? Let's try not to prolong this. Because I know y'all be tired. Y'all don't have that kind of attention span to be listening to me ramble. Like, girl, go on and do your hair. Alright, I hear you. I hear you. Okay, so part all the way down. Y'all, I do not have a mirror to see the back, so I'm gonna have to use my my monitor. Oh, I look bald. Am I bald? Am I bald? Or is it just uneven? Oh, wait a minute. Help me. Help me. Okay. I'm gonna do this again because I feel like I'm bald in the middle of my head. It's a lot of space right there. Oh my gosh. Am I thinning? I ain't even got gray hair yet. I don't have a 1 gray hair and I'm already balding. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna work. Let's do this. Okay. I can't be balding. Oh no, I feel like I'm balding. I think I am balding. For real, right here. It's a lot of space. That's a lot of space. Well, I think I've come to the reality that I might be balding in the middle even before I start getting gray hair. I didn't know my hair was that shallow right there. Okay, well, it's all right. I'm gonna moisturize my hair. I'm using the Olive Oil Shine Moisturizer. It's very cheap. It's very cheap from the beauty supply store. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. If you can, I will post the link. It is green too. I don't really like that fact, but you know, it is what it is. So we're gonna moisturize the hair, the edges, and everything. Then I'm gonna use the Nourish and Shine No More Dry Hair, No More Dry Skin. It's actually for hair and skin, and it is by Jane Carter. And this is the restorative butter. So, okay, this much. Add that to it. We don't want dry hair. No, we don't. No, we don't. Whew. All right. There we go. All right. All right, I have my brush. We're going to brush it through. All right. Now, I'm going to be using Let's Jam. And this is supposed to be extra hold. But honestly, jam is not really like edge control. It holds for the moment and then it lets go. So, I'm just going to put this on my hair to prepare for braiding, just so that my hair can lay as flat as possible. And I'm also going to lift it up and put some here as well. Now, I'm going to brush that in. And I'm going to use this brush too. I'm brushing my hair in the direction that I'm going to be braiding. So I know that I'm going to have like, my braid is going to be like this, you know. Maybe not, but you're going to know in a minute. I'm going to put some on my edges too, because those are important as well. But I got to like really start braiding before the gem starts letting go. So I have one full bundle, and I'll probably use this whole bundle and then some. But in order to start off with the feed-in method, you want to take a piece. You already want to have your hair pre-sectioned because it's going to make it a lot easier for you to add as you're braiding. So I have a piece here about like an inch thick, kind of. So I'm going to start with that small of a piece, and then the more I add, I'm going to thicken the pieces, like make them a little bit thicker on each addition. So I am just separating, and then I'm going to lay the pieces in my lap so that it's easy access as I'm braiding. So I'm going to go ahead and separate, and then when I get ready to braid, I'll be back. All right, y'all, I have the hair separated. So I'm going to give it another good brush. And I'm also probably going to brush as I'm braiding as well. All right. Lift that up because this is where we're starting. Right here at the front. I'm going to get 3 pieces like so, and then begin braiding. On this piece is where I'm going to add a piece of hair, like so. You want to slide it underneath and grab it with your other pointer finger, and then begin or continue braiding. And then I'm going to do the same thing right on the next piece. See? And I'm going to continue adding until I get to a certain point where I feel like I don't have to add anymore. Until I get to the end. Now at a certain point, you can take the comb or a brush and comb it. Just comb it. Don't break the comb. Don't break the comb. Just comb. Okay. Comb it so that it can continue to lay flat as you're braiding. Y'all see the sweat? It's real. It's real out here. It is real. It's hot. It's real hot. Ooh. And there we have it. Very, very simple, very, very easy. If you wanted the braid to be longer, you could just continue adding hair down here at this part just to make it longer, not really to add thickness. So we got that one side done, right? Look at this sweat. It is so hot. It's so hot. On to the next, on to the next. It is so hot. I could have been had this done. You ain't got to look like a bum all day, every day. Girl, you could do your hair. You. Not them, you. Do your hair, girl. Do your hair. Get yourself together. Alright, we separated. We not together, we separated. Alright. Same thing on this side. Y'all want me to talk or you want me to be quiet? Be quiet? Okay. I'm going to put this one on this side. And this one on this side. That's all I got, y'all. That's all I got for tonight. Cause look, I'm sweating. I'm sweating my makeup off. At this point, I should just not even be recording. I'm about to end this here, and y'all have a good day wherever you at. Good night, all of that. Okay. Thank y'all so much for stopping by. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video and me looking crazy. Okay. But my hair don't look crazy no more. That's key. That's key. I see y'all next time.